Fun and interesting facts about Japan. Part 1. Japan is largely made up of 4 main islands. While Japan is an archipelago with almost 6,852 islands, only 4 islands out of all of them make up the majority of Japan's land area. The islands Honshu, Kyushu, Shikoku, and Hokkaido account for 97% of the total area of Japan. The main cities like Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto are located on Honshu Island. The Greater Tokyo area is the most populated megacity in the world. The Greater Tokyo metropolitan area is made up of 3 prefectures and includes the capital of Japan, Tokyo, and has an estimated population of 38.14 million people, making it the most populated megacity in the world. Japan has the world's second highest life expectancy. Japan is pretty much in a tie with Hong Kong with an average life expectancy of 83.6 years old and 84 years old. Many people attribute Japan's long life expectancy to its traditionally healthier diet when compared to Western countries. Think more fish and less red meat, more veggies, and smaller portions, how common it is for people to walk as part of their commute, and culture which places extreme importance on family. 69% of Japan is covered in forest. When you think of Japan, you probably think of all the different cities there are in the country. Surprisingly, the majority of Japan at 69% is actually covered in forests. I still remember exploring my first forest in Japan in the Mount Fuji area. There was a sign that warned visitors to watch out for black bears, and I honestly never thought black bears were roaming the forests in Japan until that moment. There are a crazy amount of active volcanoes in Japan. In total, you can find 110 active volcanoes in Japan. 47 of these active volcanoes are actually closely monitored and watched by scientists because they have erupted recently or because they think there is a chance of an eruption. There are more than 1,500 earthquakes a year. Since Japan is located on top of or close to 4 different tectonic plates, the Pacific, North American, Eurasian, and Filipino plates, it is one of the most seismically active locations in the world. Of course, most of these earthquakes are small, tiny earthquakes that you wouldn't feel, but large and devastating earthquakes do happen once in a while. The 1923 Kanto earthquake was the country's deadliest earthquake. Big earthquakes do unfortunately happen in Japan. The deadliest earthquake in the country's history happened on September 1, 1923, and hit at a magnitude of 7.9. The earthquake is estimated to have lasted between 4 to 10 minutes, and in total, about 140,000 people lost their lives. Japan has the world's deepest underwater postbox. The deepest underwater postbox is located in Susami, which is a famous fishing town in Wakayama Prefecture and was recorded by Guinness World Records in 2002. The postbox is located 30 feet underwater and since 1999 has collected more than 32,000 pieces of mail. Mount Fuji is a sacred place. Mount Fuji isn't just the tallest mountain in Japan, it has also been a sacred place in the Shinto religion since at least the 7th century. The cool thing is that in the Shinto religion, the kami, divine person, of Mount Fuji is Princess Kanahana Sakuya. Her symbol is the cherry blossom. Japanese have a deep affection to nature. Because of the deep-running spirituality of Shinto religion in the country, you will find that most Japanese will have a deep appreciation and affection for nature. This is because, in the Shinto religion, Shinto practitioners believe that everything in nature from rocks and mountains to rivers is possessed by spirits.